Okay, man, dryer was making a heck of a racket. Sounded like we had rocks in the tumbler. And so this is what the drum rotates on these two wheels. And this is the way the one idler wheel is supposed to be. You know, no play and all that. And this one is completely shot. Look at that. So on thanks to Amazon, got these roller kits with the snap ring washers, bolt, the hardware, and all that. You do need a pair of snap ring pliers to replace these. You got to know how to use them. In this case, the snaps will open the C-clip up, the snap ring. In other cases, you have to close the snap ring to install it and to open it to get it off the bearing surface. So also got a new belt. So you have to know your model number of your dryer, and then watch the YouTube videos on how to fix it. This is probably a $40 fix, I think. So we'll have a new belt, new drive belt, 2 new drum rollers, and the model number that you want to search on is usually inside the door. I don't remember where I put the door. It's usually inside the door here. If you open up it, there's a sticker in there. So it's, fixing your dryer is not as daunting as you might think. Looks like a lot, but all the wires, they unclip, and you just mark on them. They're the little spade connectors that you just mark where they go on, the other parts that go back in. So while this is apart, we'll give it a good vacuuming, suck out all the dust and golf balls, beer cans, everything out of there. Clean all that up, make sure the connections are tight there. And of course, the dryer is unplugged. That's a good little safety tip. So anywho, that's it. Dryer Repair 101. If I can do it, you can do it.